Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how is ginseng strip made full guide. Follow along as I walk through ingredient sourcing, processing steps, and final checks to ensure safe, tasty strips. I will describe cleaning, steaming, drying, slicing, flavoring, and packaging in clear, simple terms. You will learn what equipment matters, what to watch for in texture and taste, and how small choices affect final quality and shelf life. We begin with cleaning and trimming, which removes dirt and damaged parts to protect flavor. Next comes steaming to soften fibers and promote chemical changes that create the signature taste. Controlled drying locks in texture and prevents spoilage while preserving active compounds. Slicing produces uniform strips, and optional infusion adds sweet or savory notes. Finally, packaging protects against moisture and light, so strips arrive fresh at your table. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with learning craft processes because both teach long-term thinking and simplicity. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Flavoring can be as simple as honey glazing or as complex as herbal infusions that balance bitter ginseng notes. Producers test moisture and texture and perform sensory panels to ensure consistent chew and aroma. Lab assays confirm active compound levels and absence of contaminants. Packaging atmosphere control and proper sealing lengthen shelf life. Small adjustments, like slice thickness or infusion time, make noticeable differences in final flavor and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.